Hi friends, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. Now today my friends, this is going to be the most super simple, easygoing recipe because you know what? After your Thanksgiving, you're going to want to know what to do with all the leftover turkey. But if it's after Thanksgiving, you're not going to want to do a whole production all over again. So right now I'm going to show you the really easy, flavorful, but yet basic sandwich ever, and it's so good after Thanksgiving. It is so delicious. As a matter of fact, this is what I look forward to right after Thanksgiving. It's a quick, delicious way to use up your leftover turkey. Now let's begin. Alright my friends, here is my super simple, easy turkey sandwich using leftover turkey, which is right here. You can use a mix of dark meat, white meat, or whichever that you like. Right here I have an old world style Italian bread, super delicious, and I superly love it. And then right here my friends is a combination of 3 ingredients. I'm using salted butter. I have here some parsley and granulated garlic, and that is it my friends. That is all you're going to need. So right now let's put this sandwich together. I'm going to take 2 slices from this and toast it up in my toaster. I'm going to place this in my microwave to heat this up, and now let's mix all that together. Alright my friends, now let me mix my butter. I simply love this combination, and because the butter is already salted, you don't have to add any salt. But this is so easy, so delicious, and let me tell you, it's addicting. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And it's a perfect way to use up your leftover turkey. It's time to make this sandwich. To me, this tastes way better than eating the sandwich just on plain bread or mayonnaise. To me, this adds so much flavor. Oh my God. I'm telling you, it's my favorite way to eat this. My family absolutely loves this. It's almost like eating this turkey with garlic bread. I mean, the garlic comes out beautifully in here. Now, if you want to use real garlic, you can certainly grate that in. And if you want to use real parsley, you can as well. I have done that too. It tastes so good. So spread it on and don't be cheap. Now we're going to put in some of our meat mixture right in here. Okay, so let's put some of our turkey in here. And right here I have a mix, dark meat and white meat. Perfect. Yes, pow it up. So delicious. Let me tell you, your turkey is never gonna go to waste. Never ever. You're gonna love this, and it's not a lot to be done. It's super easy. You're not going to want to do a whole production, I'm telling you. You're going to be so turkey wasted the next day. Okay, so I'm going to put the top to it, and I'm actually going to put this in a microwave for about 30 seconds just to melt the butter, and then we're going to do a taste test. Alright friends, now it's time to do a taste test, and I can't wait. I'm telling you, oh my God, it's so good. It's pretty hot. That's a good turkey sandwich. So much flavors. Turkey tastes so good the next day. I do have a video that I will walk you through how to make an easy, delicious turkey. Paired off with this sandwich for the next day, your sandwiches are going to come out super delicious. Well, my friends, I'm going to continue eating my leftover sandwich dinner. I hope you give this a try. Super easy, no fuss, no muss. Make sure you have bread the next day. And the little easy spread that we made. And you can look forward to how to use up all your leftover turkey without throwing anything away. Until then, my friends, I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.